In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in the Brainly app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm assuming you've already got the Brainly app downloaded onto your phone. Now, once you've done that for the first time, obviously you're going to open it up. And then once you're inside the Brainly app, a little pop-up like this will appear. So what we can do, we can click on the join for free. So go ahead and click on join for free. And now we've got a few different options how to join up. You can put in your email address here and click on sign up, or you can use your Google account, or you can use your Facebook account. So for this demonstration, I like to use my Google account. So I'm going to click on Google. Now I'm going to pick on my Tutorial Wiz account. And now this is going to give a pop-up like this where you can change your name and set your country of residence, your age, and how did you hear about Brainly. So I'm going to change my username here. So I'm going to click onto it. I'm going to remove that. I'm going to call myself, say for this demonstration, T-Wiz. I'm in Australia and my age is 30. So I'm going to do 30. And how did we hear about Brainly? So I'm just going to put on other. And now from there, you need to accept the terms and conditions and then click onto next. And then click onto continue down below. Alright, so in my case it says, sorry, something went wrong, please try again. So I'm going to click on OK. Alright, it's not letting me press continue. I think there's a bug in the system at this point in time, but hopefully in your case you can click continue, and then after that you've created your account.